Discord is giving away free Nitro, and I will be also giving away free Nitro. So watch the video till the end. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Hey, everyone! Want to boost your Discord experience? Check out this awesome Nitro promo. Get an extra month of Nitro for free when you subscribe to either the monthly or yearly plan. The best part is, you shouldn't have Nitro for at least 10 days or more. That's right, enjoy all the cool Nitro perks like HD streaming, bigger file uploads, custom emojis, and more for an extra month. But hurry, this offer ends July 31st. But please know that you have to buy one Nitro to get another for free. To claim it, just head to your Nitro tab on the Discord desktop or browser app, click Claim Offer, and choose your plan. It's that simple. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade to Nitro and level up your Discord game. If you want to learn more, I will put the link of this article in my video's description. Let me know if you have any questions. Now for the free Discord Nitro giveaway. Thanks to the Steel series, I will be giving away free Discord Nitro in my server. So join my server now, it's in the Primo channel. And don't keep begging for Nitro if you didn't get it. I'll post the link when the video is up. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.